Welcome to today's tutorial on how to use the "Remind Me to Take a Break" feature in YouTube. In this fast-paced digital age, it's easy to lose track of time while watching your favorite videos. But with this handy feature, you can ensure you take regular breaks and maintain a healthy screen time balance. Whether you're a content creator or a casual viewer, this feature can help you stay productive and mindful of your screen time. So, let's dive in and discover how to make the most of this valuable tool in YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you found this tech tutorial helpful, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Got questions or suggestions? Leave a comment below, and we'll get back to you.